Yes sir, I'm back at you, man, with another video. And this is I just finished replacing the windshield wiper fluid reservoir. I'm gonna go ahead and do this auxiliary battery, show you where it's located and how to remove and install. Let's get it.
We have emotion, man. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
All right, now with these auxiliary batteries, this is a backup battery pretty much. When your main battery goes dead, this right here, this battery gives it voltage for the shifter, because it's not like a old school car where it mechanically just shifts when you hit it and put it in the gear. This is electronically done, so it has to have voltage. That gives it voltage to be able to put it in neutral or park or in gear. And the battery, the main battery, is under the hood. All right, so this is the location. This is the location right behind this panel. We're gonna get, should be able to just pull it right out, just like that. Got these tags. Next, we got these 4 bolts holding a T25. They are holding this panel here. I went ahead and pulled this lever out, OBD connector, this light, and this sensor here. Pull that out. Now we got some more room. Let me show you what we looking at. Get up under here. All right. Now that right there is the battery. You see it? And we got to get this out of this bracket. Let you know what I need to do that. All right, next, this back side. This is a 10 mil bolt that's holding the other side of the bracket on. So once I take that off, I'll be able to take the battery, pull it out of that bracket. See, as soon as you hit that, break that loose. There we go. And that thing come down and out. Old one, new one. And you set it in that way, and then you mount it that way. Plug up the connectors and the fuse. Alright, we back in reverse order, man. Just hook up your wires and hook up that fuse and the 2 wires, the connectors. We good. Right. And that's it, man.